Today, we are not here to exchange niceties and platitudes. We are here to lay down the law, because when it comes to the safety and security of Kenyans, there is no room for negotiations or soft edges. Today, as we speak, we have arraigned 21 of your colleagues before the courts of law. Today. And among the various charges that we are going to charge them with will be also operating without undergoing training, operating without undergoing security vetting, operating without being licensed by the PSRA. You must undergo vetting. We must know who are you, okay? Under what framework of law are you operating? What capacity do you have to offer private security services? And in the event your clients have interfered with your rights as a private security service provider, this law provides for a recourse mechanism. The authority can intervene in the event there are delayed payments, in the event there are human rights abuses. Now, for those thinking that they can dance around the law, here is a reality check. Ignoring the law is a criminal offense under Section 69 of the Private Security Regulations Act number 13 of 2016. Whether you are alone or a corporate entity, fines and imprisonments are on the menu. And trust me, PSRA will serve them without any leniency. What is the role of a big body? Man shall not live by bread alone. You must get knowledge. You must get knowledge. It's not about taking protein supplements. You must get knowledge. And you will sit for an exam. Our next discussion, I will be with Mariamu. Si ndio mnajua Mariamu? I will be in Mariamu, and we will pick you if you have not undergone training. And all of you must have a what? A guard force number. And you should proudly wear that guard force number as a sign of honor and dignity. We must dignify this industry. It should not be an industry where you fail in every other space, then you come here. We don't want you here. If you are here, we must sustain certain non-negotiable basic minimums within this industry.